All right, we're getting a breaking election update where a major setback for the TMC just before the third phase of Bengal elections to take place tomorrow. Mass resignation from the TMC. Around 500 TMC workers will be leaving the party, and it is said that they will be joining the BJP. It is also being said that most of them are already in touch with the BJP leaders, according to sources that we are getting to know of. This is going to be a mass exodus that will be taking place within the TMC just before the third phase of elections tomorrow. That will be taking place 7 a.m. onwards. It is being said around 500 TMC workers will be leaving the party to join the BJP soon. Let me go across to Anuj. Anuj, is that confirmed till now? Because this is going to be a huge setback, especially for the ground level workers of the TMC are now set to desert the party.
Oh, well, exactly. That is something what we have been told through our top sources, that the 500 workers of TMC just before the third phase of the election is now going to join Bharatiya Janata Party today. And let me tell you that they are in touch with Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh, who is also in charge of particular seats in West Bengal. So they are in touch with the Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh, that's Narottam Mishra, and there will be a massive joining today. This is going to be around 500 TMC workers who will be leaving TMC and will be joining Bharatiya Janata Party. This is again going to be a major setback for TMC. Earlier we have seen mantris, we have seen loyalists leaving TMC, Mamata Banerjee, and joining Bharatiya Janata Party. And now this is coming in light just before the third phase, because 6th is the date when third phase is going to happen. But now, yes, this is going to be major embarrassment for TMC again when TMC worker, around 500 TMC worker will be joining Bharatiya Janata Party today. What we have been told that, as I told you earlier also, that Narottam Mishra is a man who is dealing and who has locked the deal. But this is going to be another setback. We have to wait and watch what exactly will be the response of TMC on the same, because if this thing happened just before the election, then this is going to give a message to the cadre. Already the cadre is disturbed when we do understand that many of the loyalists has already left Mamata Banerjee just before the election, and being it Subhendu Adhikari himself, who once the mantri, who once the loyalist is in front of Mamata Banerjee and contesting and has contested the election from Nandigram. So that exactly is going to be another setback for TMC, and this is going to be at around 12, what we have been told, when 500 workers will be joining Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes.
Well, coming across as a major setback there. But Anuj, how is the ground situation now going to change drastically? Because all of those workers who are associated with the TMC, and we have seen how they have been at loggerheads and many such political violence cases that have also been reported from the stage, now joining the BJP, how does it change the ground situation?
It is going to make political ramification, and obviously when the election, this is election time and third phase is tomorrow itself, then this is going to make impact on the ground level when numbers of people like around 500 workers of TMC will be joining Bharatiya Janata Party. And yes, as you pointed it out very rightly, that how it is going to make impact. So if we talk about the impact, we have seen violence across the West Bengal. We have seen Election Commission of India.
All right. So this is a development that will be seen shortly taking place, because according to sources, what we are getting to know, around 500 TMC workers are all set to leave the party, and it is being said that they're in touch with the BJP and will be joining the ranks of the BJP soon, just a day before the third phase of elections are to take place in West Bengal. Anuj, thanks very much for staying with us.